AI is revolutionizing music production in ways we never imagined. Imagine having a virtual collaborator that can analyze thousands of songs, understand trends, and even suggest melodies that resonate with listeners. AI tools can now assist in everything from composing original scores to mastering tracks, making the process faster and more accessible. With machine learning algorithms, artists can experiment with sounds and styles that push creative boundaries. AI can even generate realistic vocals, allowing producers to create entire tracks without traditional recording. This democratization of music means that anyone with a passion can create high-quality music from their bedroom. As we embrace these innovations, we're not just witnessing a shift in how music is made, we're entering a new era where technology and creativity intertwine, opening doors for fresh talent and diverse sounds. The future of music production is here, and it's powered by AI.